the third floor. Comedy specials at 8. Fishing rod and a quiet fear that what I caught wouldn't be big enough for you and lie and say I did great. And all of these moments they add.
This is one of my favorite spots here in Melbourne. It's a little creek here called Cannons Creek. That's the suburb south of Melbourne, about 40-50 kilometers. And I often come here, especially on the weekends while the sun is about to set. It's a beautiful little setting, nice and quiet, not too many people around. It's a nice easy ride from home, and you can enjoy a quiet little private sunset to yourselves, especially in the summer months. You must have seen this place in some of my earlier videos as well on the channel, but that's how much I love coming here. You can just sit here, reflect, just gather your thoughts and enjoy the sunset without anyone bothering you. And as I said, it's a beautiful ride here as well in the countryside. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I am back on the motorcycle after almost a month. The last video you saw on the channel was from my trip to India, which was early in September. So it's the middle of October now. It's been a month. It has been pretty wet and windy lately here in Melbourne. Hence, I haven't been taking the motorcycle out a lot. In fact, this is the first day I have ridden it since I've been back from India, other than just some very brief rides just to keep the battery juiced up. In other news, well, winter has ended in Melbourne. It's officially springtime. And what a cracking spring evening it is. Not a cloud in the sky. It's 7:15 in the evening. Daylight saving has kicked in yet again, so the days are starting to get longer for us. Sunset's about 8 o'clock these days, and the days will keep on getting longer for a few more months. So beautiful riding weather, and the riding season is back. And here I am, trying to make the most of it. First ride today, hopefully many more over the spring-summer season. So stay tuned. Enjoy the countryside as the sun sets. What I'll do is I'll probably go a bit further up and then take a left and quite literally chase that sunset. Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. The hunters Almost done 10,000 kilometers. 9,751 and counting. And that's over, what, 2.5 years of riding and owning this motorbike. Beautiful little companion, this one. Never lets me down. You can tell the riding season's on. The riders are back. Haha. There's a bit of freshness to the breeze. It's not entirely warm, but that's spring for you here in Melbourne. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. I think it went up to 21 degrees and must be around 12-13 degrees now. There's that little bit of nippiness in the breeze. Nothing too traumatic though. Beautiful, beautiful weather. No breeze at all. And look at that, golden sunshine. Alright, coming up to a roundabout, and I think we'll chuck a left here and then follow that sun. Might get a bit bright in the camera, so apologies. Here we go. Let's go left. It's funny how, as the seasons change, the fragrances change as well in the air around you, and I think that's where the motorcycles are different to riding or driving in a car, because you can smell it all. And whilst the winters were a bit nippy, a lot of firewood from people trying to keep their houses warm, spring is just fresh, like freshly cut grass. That's all I can smell. Season to chase the sunsets, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Got my summer gloves on, and I can feel a bit of cold, just the slightest bit of cold through the summer gloves. Another couple of weeks and it'll get hot. And then a couple of months and it'll get seriously hot around Christmas, New Year. People in the Northern Hemisphere, you must be getting ready to pack up your bikes in the garage, put the battery chargers on. Well, this is where I come in handy. I'll keep you company through your winter months. Keep telling you how hot it is and how gorgeously, insanely beautiful the sunsets are here, and how warm and balmy they are. Just to rub it in a bit. Here we go, let's go left here. Love this countryside, look at that. Absolute gold. My bike's due for a service, so I think in the next couple of weeks I'll get that sorted, get that out of the way, and then be ready for summer properly. Ah, the summer breeze. Okay, I'll try yet again, and I have been trying to in each of my videos as I ride. I try and give you a flavor of the surrounding fragrances. So imagine this countryside, this beautiful lush golden countryside, and I can smell freshly cut grass. I can smell the fragrances of the farms around me, so soil, a bit of fertilizer in it, and the gum trees. That's what it is. So mix it all up. That's the fragrance of the evening. Alright, where can I take you? If I keep going straight ahead, there's a dead end. So what I can do is take a right here. It's a highway there, and then take the next left, and we can go up to a little harbour, a marina. Let's try that. So we need to go right here. But look at that, gorgeous, gorgeous countryside. Let's keep chasing the sun, hey? Alright, let's go. This stretch is 100 kilometers an hour stretch, so apologies if the wind noise picks up all of a sudden, but I'll try the next left, the very next left, and get off this highway. But look at this hunter go, 100 kilometers an hour, no problem. Oh, it's too bright. Well, there you go. The first sunset chase of this riding season for me. Just the beginning. I love it when you're riding a motorcycle and the setting sun just pokes through the trees. Something very majestic, extremely glorious about it. This here is a golf course or a golf club. Half past 7, so we've been riding for almost 15 minutes now. I reckon the sun's gonna set in the next 15 minutes as well. This whole stretch of road has been redone recently. It's fairly smooth. Used to be a few potholes here, but they've done a good job just relaying it and covering all the potholes. It's a beautiful stretch now. Okay, we gotta go kind of a weird left here. Not a sharp left, but kind of straight left. Here we go. Oops. A few rabbits. A few more, They're all running away. A month ago I was enjoying a similar countryside in India. And here I am back in Australia. Countryside, I love it. Let's follow the road around, and that should take us to this marina. Not sure if it's going to be open. If the gate's open, we'll try and go in there, and that's where I'll finish the video. Fresh eggs, $8. I'm tipping that's $8 a dozen. Oh well, I've kick-started my riding season with this ride and with this video. Stay tuned for many more videos now, because as the days get warmer and longer, I intend to do this a lot more. So I'll take you through different parts of Melbourne, the twisties, the countryside, the ocean, the city, beyond the city, a lot of it. Ah, can I go in? Let's try. Few cars there. Let's see. There's a restaurant here as well. Captain Jack's restaurant. Oh, beautiful. That's the restaurant there. Oh, I can smell food. Smells so yum. But that's the marina. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous evening. Alright, gorgeous people. Look after yourselves. Keep watching the videos. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye.